Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video once again. So today I will be talking about Translate English class again. So let's come to the point and let's get started. So number one, সে আমাকে কালকে সাহায্য করেছিল। যে আমাকে কালকে সাহায্য করেছিল সে আসেনি। The boy who is absent. The boy who is, oh, this is the past tense. Oh, sorry, it will be is. The boy who is helped me. The boy who helped me yesterday. 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 সে আসেনি. He is absent. Absent today. He is absent today. Okay. The boy who helped me yesterday. He is absent today. যে আমাকে কালকে সাহায্য করেছিল সে আসেনি আজকে. Okay. And number two is আমি দৌড়াতে পারতাম যখন আমি ইয়ং ছিলাম, যুবক ছিলাম. Okay. I could first run when I was young. Okay. আমি দৌড়াতে পারতাম যখন আমি যুবক ছিলাম. I could run fast when I was young. And the last one is করিম আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারতো কালকে. করিম could have helped me. Karim could have helped me yesterday. Okay. Karim could have helped me yesterday. Okay. Karim আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারতো কালকে. Karim could have helped me. Okay. And there are different could এবং could have. Okay. কোনো কিছু possibility যদি থাকতো, কোনো কিছু সম্ভাবনা যদি থাকে তাহলে could have. Okay. করিম আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারতো কালকে. Karim could have helped me yesterday. So how was the class? Let me know. I think this video can be really help you to improve your English. So have a great day on the time and share it. Okay. And I like to message for you that I have a YouTube channel and my YouTube channel name is OCS Oil Talk. OCS Oil Talk. Okay. You can search on YouTube channel. So have a great day on the time. Bye.